Hey guys, what's up? I finally got it today, Star Wars The Force Unleashed 2, and I'm going to do an unboxing, so let's get to it. As you can clearly see, we have a nice shiny cover, and then of Star Killer. The box itself, we have the nice tin case, and the Mimo box. So, comes with one disc, obviously. Got some nice stuff from Ralph McQuarrie. I got this stuff and all that. So that, you got that's that, the disc. You have a Star Killer in the front, Vader in the back, which is kind of neat. And then what I also got, before I jump into the, well, I got this little collector's edition booklet you see here, and the Mimo box, which is kind of neat, and I can't really tell a difference between what's what or not, but yeah. So that's the Mimo box, and this is the collector's edition of the book, like strategy guide. So bear with me for this 1 minute. There is that. All nice and shiny. Got horrible paper. I haven't seen it myself, but it looks like it's like one of those good old fashioned Star Wars game for each level. And yeah, got Star Killer in the front, and you got the Star Killer and Vader in the back. So that's the unboxing of this. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get the thing from GameStop, but all in all, it's okay, it's good, so yeah.